What's up? This your girl Reese, and I'm back again with another video. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Me, I'm doing good. Even though nobody asked. So what's the tea, my beautiful people? Are y'all remembering to wash your hands and stay clean? Are you remembering to do your 6 feet apart? Are you remembering to enjoy life to its fullest, because you never know when your last day might be? Alright, cool. That's what I like to hear. So what's the word, y'all? Real quick, let me explain why I changed my name, because I know y'all like, this hoe didn't change her name again. What the fuck? We just can't keep up. Bear with me, y'all. I think I'm getting a cold. But see, look. I changed my name because I want something that's cute. I want something that's me. I want something that's going to reflect in a good way with my brand, with what I'm trying to do. For an example, when I start my business, doing whatever I'm doing, I'm going to be selling like different items and stuff. I want people to think, oh, you know what? I'm going on vacation. I need this. Where can I get this item? I want my name to automatically just pop up in their head, and they'd be like, oh my God, yeah, you know what? I'm going to go do business with her. I just want something that's catchy. I want something that fits me and that fits my brand, if that makes sense. That's really why I changed my name so much. But hopefully this will be my last time changing my name, because honestly, it's getting really boring. I'm tired of having to change my name on Instagram. I'm tired of having to make new intros. I'm tired of having to make new logos and stuff like that. So yeah, let's hope this is the last time. So I haven't posted for like a month, maybe two. Maybe it's been a few weeks. I don't really remember. But I haven't been doing anything, you know. I just been chilling, just been keeping busy, keeping to myself, all that good stuff, you know. Doing what a lot of black people can't do. Well, I'm not going to say a lot of black people. Just doing what a lot of people in general can't do, and that's mind their business. Mind the business that pay them, you know. Be sure to hit that notification bell, because you guys don't want to miss another video from me, right? I didn't think so. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section down below and give me video ideas. If for whatever reason my comment section is off, just hit me up on my social medias and I promise I'll get back to you. Please be mindful that the videos have to be appropriate, and if they are, I will try my best to get to them. If you guys go back a few videos ago, maybe it was in March, maybe February, or maybe January, I ended up getting a new phone. I got the LG Stylo 6. Now, after seeing that phone all on the internet, all on commercials and stuff, I was like, you know what? I have to have that phone. I wanted that phone so badly, and I ended up buying it. I used it for maybe a few days to a week, and I was like, you know what? I'm over this phone. I don't even want this phone anymore. I don't even know why I bought this phone. And that was that. I went back to using my iPhone. I ended up giving the phone to my fiance. I recently just sold it, like a few weeks ago. So yeah, I have a bad habit. I have a bad habit of buying things that I want, but then as soon as I get it, I'm just like, ugh, yeah, no, I'm over it. Anyway, let's get into this video. So I ended up getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I got it in 128 gigabytes, and I got the Pacific blue color. What was I about to say? Oh yeah, I wanted to wait until the iPhone 13 Pro came out, if they even make it. But then I was like, you know what? I could probably trade this phone in, if anything. So that's what I might do. That's the thing with me. Whenever I want something, I always get what I want. I try my best to get what I want regardless. But yeah, enough talking. Let's get into this video. So this is what the box looked like that my phone came in. It's really just a simple plain ass box. It ain't nothing special. I'm just trying to like hide my address and everything, so I don't want y'all to see it. Also, be mindful that I already set this phone up. No, it's not like a phone that I have to set up and everything and add all my contacts to. Nope, the girl already did all that. So technically this is not a new, well actually no it is. It is a new iPhone unboxing because I haven't even used the phone since I got it, which was just like a few days ago. I've been using my old phone because I didn't have any cases for my new phone, so I didn't want to use it and get it dirty or accidentally drop it or whatever. So I just been, waiting out. I do have cases coming for this phone today, thank the Lord. And yeah. All right, move that over to the side. So this is what comes in the box. You have your regular ass, papers and shit, designed by Apple in California. This also has your SIM injection tool. And then you have your charger. Now, if you're a iPhone user, then you know the old iPhones, when you bought one of the old ones, it always came with a pair of headphones and a brick to use your charger with. Now that we get into the newer phones, the headphones are out. They even took the jack off, and then no brick for your phone. So if you're somebody that already had an iPhone and you just happen to have a brick laying around somewhere, cool. But if you're somebody that's new to iPhone, then you're gonna have to go out and purchase yourself a brick. Now you can get it from Apple, where I heard they're expensive, or you can go to Walmart or maybe even Amazon, eBay, whatever, and get you one. Now you can't just use any old brick. You have to get one that's designed for this charger. Now I just left this on, look, you guys can see my screensaver. Now I just left this on my phone because I didn't want the screen getting dirty. The only thing that's different from the 11 is how it's built. They took the design back to the first iPhone, the square type build. And the cameras are a little bigger. And the screen is like 2 inches bigger. That's really it. Now, like I said, I already set up my phone. I have all my apps. I have my music and everything on here. So, yeah. I really like this phone, you guys. I really do. In a lot of ways, it is better than the 11 Pro Max. But in more ways, it's really not. It's really just the same. Nothing has changed. But yeah. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with my old phone. I don't know if I'm going to keep it to just use to film. I don't know if I'm going to sell it. I have no clue yet. But the phone is in good condition. And I do have a lot of cases for it, especially if you're a girl. But if anybody wants this phone, then like I said, just hit me up on my social media and I can send it to you guys. But just to let you know, it does have a few, well, I'm not going to say a few. It has more than a few or a couple scratches on the screen. No cracks anywhere. The only thing is just the scratches. So I'm not sure how much they charge you to replace the screen for this phone, but I wouldn't think it would be too much or whatever. But yeah, that's about it, guys. That's about the end of the video. I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone 12 pretty soon once I start to use it more. So stay tuned for that. And I do have another video coming out. It's going to be a product review. And this is a product that I've been using since forever. This is a product that my grandmother, even my sister used. So guys, stay tuned for that. And yeah, with that being said, this is your girl Reese. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I am out. Bye.